Okay, good morning, Miss. Good afternoon, Miss. Today we are going to do the evaluation for Mathematica, Math, and Science. So we just start from the homework of Mathematica. Kita mulai dari soal nomor 1.
Satu, perkalian 2 kali 10, kita tambahkan 10-nya 2 kali, 10 tambah 10 maka hasilnya 20. Lanjut, perkalian 6 dikali 4, maka kita tambahkan 4-nya 6 kali, dapatlah hasilnya dia 24.
Okay, next.
Lanjut, 1 dikali 15, ya 15-nya 1 kali aja, jadi hasilnya 15. 1 kali 15, 15. Lanjut, 2 dikali 22, 22 tambah 22, maka hasilnya 24. 7 kali 10, 10 yang kita tambahkan 7 kali, maka dapat hasilnya 70.
Okay.
Untuk acara syukuran di rumahnya, Bu Winda menyiapkan 19 kotak, masing-masing berisi 5 kue. Berapa banyak kue yang disiapkan Bu Winda? Dapatkah kamu menyelesaikan masalah tersebut tanpa menggunakan penjumlahan berulang? Nah, jadi 19 dikali 5 sama dengan 95, Sar.
Okay, next.
Lanjut, Bu Pardede membeli 12 pensil. Pensil-pensil tersebut dibagikan rata kepada 3 anak secara merata. Berapa banyak pensil yang diterima anak? 12 dibagi 3 berarti setiap anak mendapatkan 4 pensil.
Next.
Lanjut. Di lapangan parkir ada 32 sepeda. Sepeda-sepeda tersebut disusun menjadi 4 baris. Sama banyak. Berapa banyak sepeda pada setiap barisnya? Ada 8. Setiap baris ada 8. Nyoman mempunyai 25 buku. Nyoman akan menyusun buku-buku tersebut pada 5 rak sama banyak. Berapa banyak buku pada setiap rak? Yaitu 20 dibagi 5 maka hasilnya 5. Andi mempunyai 36 kelereng. Andi membungkus kelereng-kelereng tersebut ke dalam 6 kantong yang sama banyak. Berapa banyak kelereng pada setiap kantong? 36 kita bagikan dengan 6, maka hasilnya setiap kantong ada 6. Berapakah hasil perkalian berikut dengan penjumlahan berulang? 12 dikali 2, kita tambahkan 12-nya 2 kali, berarti 24.
Mana yang ditambahkan?
12-nya.
Berarti 12 tambah 12. Rasanya masih kurang tepat, Miss.
Duanya tambahkan 12 kali, Sar.
Iya, duanya ada 12
tambahkan
kali.
12 kali ya.
Oke, next.
Lanjut, kakak akan membagi-bagikan buah-buahan kepada Fani dan teman-temannya. Kakak memiliki 50 buah-buahan terdiri dari 30 jeruk. Sisanya buah pir. Ada 5 anak yang akan dibagikan buah jeruk secara merata dan buah pir juga akan dibagikan kepada 5 anak. Banyak jumlah jeruk dan buah yang akan terima adalah jumlah buah 50, buah jeruk 30 dibagi dengan 5, maka kita dapat hasilnya 6. 30 dibagi 5, 6, maka 50 dikurang dengan 30 hasilnya 20. 20 itu adalah buah pir. Buah pir 20 dibagi 5 hasilnya 4. Maka setiap anak akan mendapatkan 6 buah jeruk dan 4 buah pir.
Yeah. Okay, we go to math. Start from the first question.
Okay. What does count on mean in number pattern? Count on mean keep adding numbers in order. And then which of the following best describe as term to term rule? It is the rule that move the next number in a sequence.
Okay.
Next, what is a sequence in maths? A sequence is a set of numbers or items arranged in order. Next, Amy has 214 apples. She picks up 4 more apples one by one. How many apples does she have now? It is 218. Amy starts from 214 and counts on in ones. What is the 10th number in the pattern? It is 224. Next, sir.
Next.
Gia has 148 mangoes. He gets 3 packs of mangoes from Pia. If counts on in tens, how many mangoes does he has now? So it means 3 packs of mango, we have 175.
100.
75.
He get 3 packs of 10 mangoes from Pia. Gia has. If he count in tens, how many mangoes has he? Okay, I see. 175. Next, number 7.
Yes. Jia has 175 mangoes. He sells 5 packs of 10 mangoes. If he counts back in tens, how many mangoes does he have now? Counts back. Can you scroll up, sir? Let's scroll down. Okay, Jia has 175 mangoes. He sells 5 of the, so it's mean 125.
125.
Yes.
So actually, no need to scroll and write the answer in here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Next, Raj has 217 strawberry. He gets 5 basket of 100 strawberries. If he counts on in 100, how many strawberries does he have now? It is 717.
Yes.
Jia has 145 mangoes. He gets 3 packs of mangoes. Use counting on to find how many mangoes does Jia have now. It is 175.
Yeah. Next.
Raj has 217 strawberries. He gets 5 basket of 100 strawberries, then give away 4 basket of 100 strawberries. Use counting on and back to find out how many strawberries does Raj has now. It is the first 217, and then he get 5 basket of 100 strawberries, so 717, and then he sells again 4 basket of strawberries, so the result is 317.
Okay, 370. Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Okay.
If you start. Okay. Yeah.
If you start from 320 and count back 25 steps one by one, what number will you end on? It is 295. Next,
200.
95.
95. 200. How does it 295?
We count back one by one. So each term we minus one.
One by one. Okay. Let me check first. Okay, continue for number 4.
Okay, starting at 480, counts on in 6 step of tens. What is the final number? The final number is 540.
Okay, next.
Next, if a number pattern start at 600 and decrease by 50 each step, what is the fourth number in the pattern? It is 450.
Okay, next. Number 6.
Number 6, starting from 730, count back 7 step in ones. What number did you get? It is 723.
Yeah.
And then from the number 250 counts on 4 step of tens. What number do you get? So we add 10 for 4 times, and then we get 290.
200.
90.
90.
Yes, 4 step of tens.
4 step from tens. So 290. Why? Count on, yeah.
90.
It's count on,
Sir.
yeah. Okay, I see.
Yes, sir.
I think it's count back before. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we go to science.
Science.
Start from the first question.
State true or false the sentence below. Flowers help a plant to reproduce. Yes, true. And then plants need sunlight only to keep warm. It is false because plants need sunlight to make their own food. And then the part of the body where the body absorbs the water from undigested food is called large intestine. What is the organ that mix food with acid and digest the food called a stomach?
Next, number 5.
Number 5. Jolene had 2 plants. He placed 1 plant in the fridge and The other plant is in the classroom. She watered the plants every day. After 10 days, this is what she observed. Okay? So, the question is which plants was placed in the fridge? Explain your reason. So, the plant that placed in the fridge is the plant A because it looks unhealthy, it didn't get enough sunlight and uh, enough temperature, the suitable temperature. That's why.
Next, number 6.
Number six, Sam is carrying out an investigation. He used two identical plans for his investigation, Plan A and Plan B. Each plant received the same amount of sunlight, and he has the same amount of soil in the pot. Plan A is given water, while Plan B is not given water. After 10 days, Sam observed the plant. Which of this is the scientific question that Sam is investigations? So, this one, sir. How does water affect plant growth?
How does
Does
water?
water affect plant growth? Affect plant growth.
Okay, yeah, because the variable is one plant using the water and one plant is not given the water, right?
Yes.
Next,
Next, the stem takes in water when it's rain. It's false. Roots takes in mineral from the soil. It's true. Each organ has a special function in the body. It's true. And then the lungs pumps the blood around the body. Uh, it's false.
the lungs pump blood around. Yeah. Next,
Next, what is the definition of organs? So, organs is a part of the human that help us to stay alive. For example, we have the main organs like heart to pump our blood, and then we have the lungs, brain, stomach, and intestine as the digestive system and called as organs. And then, what are the names of organs that help keep us alive and healthy? That is the brain, lungs, heart, stomach, and liver. Yes, sir.
next.
What is the neurologist? Neurologist is a doctor and scientist who is study about and who is study and treat people with the brain and nerve this problem.
Okay, Miss. I think that is clear for me to for this homework. Now maybe we just go to. Okay, maybe we just go to the books. So since for the next week you will have the science project, right? Please explain what is the science project. What is the science project about, and what is the goals of
Okay,
the science
the science
project?
project is about changing the salary with the food color. So the students will know that how do the stem transport the water to all the parts of the plant. Like from the function of the stem in the plant is to transport the water to other parts. So by doing this science project, students find out that um, the stems will transport it by see the color in the part of the plant later, sir, after 6 hours of experiments.
So what is
After
the result of the? I mean, what is the result of the experiment? Later? How do we know that the water is already transport from the water to the plant?
what?
I mean, you will investigate, right? How the water. That's why you put the food color in the
Food
water, right?
color, food coloring, and then
So what is the
with
result
water
in the plant?
also.
What happened to the plant?
It will change the color.
The color of the leaves,
Yes, it will change.
okay, based on the water.
It based, yeah, based on the because we put food coloring in there, right? So the students will see directly how do the stem transport the water to the all the parts of the plant.
Okay. Yeah, it's clear for me for the science project. So for next, yeah, we just need to go to the book. 106 until 110. 106. Okay, the 106, it's about count online and come back. I think this one has been learned in primary too. So we just go to the question here. Okay, question number one,
Number one.
A and
Okay.
B.
Okay, number one, part A. So it is there are 200 lists each time. So it means we count back by decreasing 200 from the first number. So the first we have the first pattern 968. So we decrease 200 from 900. We get 768, and then we decrease again with 200. So we get the result here. 568, and then we decrease again 568 with 200, we get the result 368, and then the last we decrease again 368 with 200, we get the result 168.
168.
68.
So question part B.
Okay, part B. Counts on in two. So it means we need to add two in every term, in every pattern. So from the first, we start with 202, and then we add two more in the next pattern, 204, 6, and then here 208, 210, 212, and 214.
214. So this last question will be 220 B. Will 220 be in this pattern?
Yes, it will be in this pattern. So.
Okay, I think it's clear for me for this math question. So here we have uh, primary 4, primary 2. Okay, it means here we will have the summary point of science, right?
Yes.
Just try to explain for this first four, first three summary point here.
The point
One
three.
and two, three, yeah. One and two, three.
Okay.
First three.
Flowers help the plant to reproduce by making fruit and seed. Okay, so here we talk about the part of the plant, and then here we have flower, where the function of the flower in the plant is to help them reproduce and having the new plant or having the new fruit or the new flower, and then in here we have the plant as a reproductive part of the plant that help them to reproduce more, sir.
Okay, number two.
Number two, and then leaves make food for the plant using sunlight. So the the function of the leaf in the part of the plant is to make their own food by using by getting the enough sunlight and water to make their own food, so that they can do photosynthesis. And then for the point number three, the stem keeps the plant upright and transport water, nutrient, and food. So the function of the stem here is for helps them to stand upright and to transport the water that the roots has been absorbed from the soil, and then it will transport to all the parts of the plant.
Okay, miss. Now we just go to the vocabulary list. Okay, now we have vocabulary list here. So we start from. Wait, let me check this. Okay, we start from science. Okay, honor. We have a project here. Math. So it will be taken from math. Convince.
Convince makes someone believe or agree. So, for example, you're trying to convince someone, it means that you are trying to make them believe on you.
Count on.
Count on is counting forward by adding the same number. By adding the same number. For example, we have five. To count on like 5, 6, 7, 8 until 10.
Sequence.
Sequence is the order of the number So for the example, like 100 and then 105, 110, 100 and etc. Like that.
Okay. And the last one is term to term rule.
A term to term rule is the rule that we use in the math. For example, so in here, like count on, we have the term to term rule by adding the two in each term, like that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Yeah. Okay, Miss. I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, sir.